we first jumped in with JWB, like you said, we bought 2 properties. And like I mentioned, we had the option of buying a property that was rented and one that was not. And we opted for both. The one that was not yet leased, I think had a little better return, and we gambled on it'll get leased out. And after about a week or 2, it just wasn't getting leased. And it was a property that had a handicap ramp in the front. And I thought to myself, okay, this is my first experience at this, but maybe it's that. And I was on the fence about calling you guys and saying, hey, just let's get rid of the ramp. But before I even got there, you guys beat us to it. You called us and said, hey, this property's not moving. We're pretty sure it's the ramp. We're going to go ahead and fix it for you. So I was ready to call you and say, I'll fix it. Just get rid of the dang thing. But you guys not only beat us to the punch, you fixed it. You redid the landscape. And I think within a week, it was rented and leased for the next 3 years. And that property has done great since. We didn't expect that. I mean, that's how we bought it. We saw the pictures. We knew it was there. We almost gambled on maybe if somebody rents it, they're going to need it and be a long-term renter.
Yeah, I think that was a plus.
You know, we thought it was a plus, and it didn't work out that way, but it was a plus as far as the experience we had with you guys, because we really knew you guys are as ethical a company as we've ever worked with. It's really cool.